Does this string theory idea tell us anything about why we're here?
I would like to think that it does. It's very indirect. And we are aggregates of a huge number of particles, or if string theory is correct, a huge number of strings. I mean, inside your body, you've got something like a billion particles. And if string theory is correct, each of those particles is a vibrating filament. It is a gargantuan challenge to understand why those billion particles came together to yield you or me or somebody else. But again, that's a historical progression. And I think we understand the broad outlines of that narrative, that there was some initial event called the Big Bang that resulted in space expanding. The energy of that Big Bang ultimately transmuted into particles. Those particles were wafting through space. Gravity caused collections of those particles to clump together. Some of them clumped together into stars, like our sun. Some of them clumped together into planets, like our Earth. And on our Earth, some of those particles began to coalesce into more exotic and refined forms, giving rise to atoms, giving rise to molecules. And over the course of billions of years on our planet, those little molecules grew into more complex structures, ultimately giving first cells. And once you have a cell, cells divide, and they come together into larger multicellular aggregates that give rise to the beginnings of life in the ocean. And those life forms evolve further until they can walk out of the ocean and begin to live on land. And they begin to stand upright. And after a billion more years, you and I are sitting here at this table. And so, yeah, there is a story. That's the brief version that takes us from the Big Bang to us on planet Earth.